and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about the brake tool. It's probably the most commonly used tool in all of sketching. You can find it, of course, here under Tools, under Brake. But there is a hotkey that you can use to move much faster, and that is the B key, B as in boy. So you can just drop it in and hit there. I'm going to click B, and then click, break my walls. Now, one thing I wanted to highlight in this video, we've come across it in our Xactimate training classes that people were unfamiliar that you can do this. I'm going to hit B to break, and I'm actually going to grab, click and hold and drag along a section of the wall so that I can break that wall into 3 sections and just move the one that I was looking for. This has been another Hotkey highlight. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.